Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL NxtPaper 10s and let me share with you how to reset the preferences on this device. So first of all, just enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the section apps. Now let's tap on view all 46 apps, of course 46 in my case, that was a misclick, sorry. And here just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter reset preferences, as it is the option we're looking for. And here your device is informing you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so just tap on reset apps, and basically that's all. This is how to reset the preferences in your TCL NxtPaper 10s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.